Today, I will become the best chef in the forest! Rabbit, I want to grill something. Do you know where I can get some rabbit mushrooms?
Yes! Follow me, there are many at the edge of the forest.
Add onion for flavor, baby.
Yes! Give me the best sauce.
Enough for a barbecue. Remember to let me try it. First time cooking success. Tomorrow I will try grilled fish balls. It smells so good. Almost done. Let me try. A good chef knows how to share.